Fix in 5. P0501. ECM detects engine speed, RPM, sensor anomaly, signal inconsistent with medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, MIL, illuminated, rough and unstable idle at 500 to 800 revolutions per minute, difficult cold or hot starts, engine stalling during driving or at traffic lights, increased fuel consumption, 10 to 15% excess. Now the most likely causes. Dirty or malfunctioning MAF, mass airflow, sensor, most frequent cause, 50 to 60% of cases. Air leak in intake manifold, cracks. Worn gaskets. Loose connector or corrosion in RPM/CKP sensor circuit. Clogged air filter reducing measured airflow. How to fix it. Clean MAF sensor with specific solvent, do not touch sensitive element, and reconnect. Replace air filter and inspect/repair intake manifold leaks with new gaskets. Verify and clean all connectors in CKP/RPM circuit. Apply dielectric grease. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45, €120, MAF sensor only, doing it yourself, or €165, €240, MAF sensor plus 1.5H labor at €80 per hour, at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask. Will P0501 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0501 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device. Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0501. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.